Okay, there we go. Hey guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We are continuing Shinedown Sounds of Madness. Thankfully, my dad has a copy of the album. With Cyanide, Sweet Tooth, Suicide. Oh Lord. I hope I don't get in trouble for saying the word suicide in this video. Real quick, shout out to Dave 1DO1994. I've used one of his videos, one of their videos for this album prior to this. So again, I hope you don't mind me using another one, but I appreciate the help. All that said, all rights go to Shinedown. Shameless plugins, real quick. EV Soldier 96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content. Things have changed a bit over there since I've used OBS. And Patreon is where you go for album reviews, and there's some other goodies on there too. Anyway, again, all rights go to Shinedown for the music, and for the video, I've already mentioned the guy's name, or their name. So here we go. Oh Lord, I'm nervous. I fucked up when I showed him, so let's see if I can do this. Oh, no pressure. Suicide, they say cyanide in her plastic veins. She's a mannequin of misery. She's on a bender that she ain't gonna break. Hey, she's looking at a silver chain. She's grinding teeth so she can sharpen the pain. White line train wreck, black lips, cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. She's a killer, she's mine. Cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. Cerebellum feeds the brain. Hurricane is a violent rage, they say. You're looking like an animal cold. Oh no, fuck the silver leg, go straight to the bone. Deeper in a 6-foot hole. She's gonna know it can be suicide notes. White line train wreck, black lips, pale eyes, cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. She's a killer, she's mine. Cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. White light train wreck. Black lips, pale eyes, cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. She's a killer, she's mine. Cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. Lips, pale eyes, cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. She's a 015. Cyanide, sweet tooth, suicide. I don't remember that little guitar solo outro. Maybe it's just me. I don't remember that little guitar solo outro there. But, that's alright. Just because I don't remember something doesn't mean it's not true or it's not there or anything like that. Alright. Well, I hope you got something out of it. That's all I can say. Shinedown is a lot harder vocally than I thought. Not just because of the lyrics, but it's just vocal performance me on my part. Maybe it's just me. But I hope you guys got something out of it. I gotta finish up the rest of the album. We got two more on the standard, and I know that there's a few more because there was a deluxe edition involved. We'll get to it whenever I get to it, but rest assured I will get to it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed Cyanide. I'm just going to call it Cyanide for my sanity. On the title. I hope you guys don't mind. I just call it Cyanide. That'll be just easier on the title. So, gotta go. Gotta get to the next track. So, peace. Hope you have a good day, good night, whatever it is. See ya.